Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reverse audio on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application and I'm going to create a new project on InShot. And for your information guys, that on the InShot, there is no option to reverse our audio immediately. But don't worry because we can still reverse our audio with this trick. Okay, I'm going to create new project and select new, and then we can select the blank clip and add this blank clip to our video. And then you're going to add an audio you want to reverse with the InShot. I'm going to go to my audio and then select music, and then I'm going to add audio from my device. I'm going to select one of the audio from my device. I'm just going to select the short audio to make the process faster. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one for instance. I'm going to click on use, and this is how the original audio sounds like. Wait guys, I'm going to extend the clip. You can extend it according to your audio duration. Okay, I think that's enough. And this is the original audio. And I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to export this video first. Okay. Right, done. And I'm going to create new project. And I'm going to import the video we have just saved. And we can reverse the video. Just go to the reverse menu right here. Okay, we need to wait until 100%. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, and now the audio in this video has been reversed. This is the result. Okay, and we're going to export it, and after we have exported this audio, we'll be able to use the audio. Okay, and after that, if you want to use the audio on your project, you just need to extract it. Wait, I'm going to create project again, and I'm going to add the audio we have just reversed. We can go to the audio, select music, extract audio from video, and you can choose the video we have just exported. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reverse audio on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.